We've all been there. You're trying to get some hard-earned sleep, but your kid is wide awake and making it very difficult. You need help. Introducing Mela, the all-in-one children's clock designed to keep your kid in bed longer. Mela is an alarm clock, sleep trainer, sleep sound machine, nightlight and nap timer rolled into one adorable package. Mela goes to sleep when your kid goes to sleep. Set the desired sleep time, and Mela will do the rest. Mela lets your kid know when it's almost time to get up. When Mela turns green, it's time to wake up. By using a combination of facial expressions and bright colors, Mela teaches your kid when it's time for bed and when it's okay to wake up. Choose from a variety of nightlight color options and sleep sounds to create the optimal bedtime environment for your child. Mela doesn't just help your family sleep better at night. Mela's timer feature comes in handy for those midday naps, timeouts, and other timed play activities.
I don't think you guys know this, but I'm really bad at waking up in the morning. Half of the time, I pretend the alarm's part of the dream, and the other half, I just don't even remember. There's even been times where I've woken up and I've had conversations with people. I don't remember having those conversations. So I just got this package from Amazon, and it's basically a clock on wheels. I have overslept every single class, and I've been late to work 4 times in the past week. Hello? Clocky? Is it like a Furby? Hello? Speak. Clocky is not a toy. Children should be supervised when he is in use. Oh, it needs batteries. I'm stupid. So it has batteries, but it doesn't have a heart. So the alarm should go off in 1 minute. Look at little Clocky. Bonk. This is gonna be a long 2 minutes. Maybe I have to manifest. Roll. Roll. You want to roll. Please, dear God, roll. I will literally Venmo you $50 to roll. Can I just press it? Which button do I press? Oh my God, it just flipped! If this doesn't wake me up in the morning, then I don't know what is.
Hi, I'm Corey from Patch, and today I'm going to show you how to use your OK to Wake clock and a few other tips and tricks. To get started, what you're going to want is a Phillips screwdriver. Highly recommend one with a magnet on the end, and then 4 AA batteries. Also recommend using regular AA's and not rechargeable AA's. When putting your batteries in, make sure that the negative side is properly centered with the connectors. If they are not centered, it does tend to cause a little bit of interference, and some of the functions on your clock don't want to work quite properly. So just make sure that those are all centered. Once you put your 4th battery in, it's going to take a second, and then you are going to hear a beep. There we are. Put your battery compartment back on. Alright, now you are ready to set all the functions on your clock. To know that your clock is functioning properly, right after that beep, it's just going to say 12 o'clock on the front of your clock. And then to set the time, you're going to press and hold the set button for just a couple seconds. Then 12 hours is going to pop up on your screen. You're going to tap your set button 1 more time so that you can set the time, and then set it to your current time, which ours is around 10:29. Once the time is set, you're just going to tap that set button once more and your time will be locked in. So, tap and set. Most popular function on the OK to Wake clocks is the OK to Wake function, which is what sets the green light time for when your children can get out of bed. If you have an early riser and you don't want them getting out of bed till 6 or